Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to change site currency on Wix. Here on the Wix editor, as you can see. As of right now, I'm using US dollars as my currency. To change the currency, you need to go to your Wix dashboard by clicking right here at the top left of your screen on the side. Then you want to go to My Dashboard. Here at the dashboard, you want to go to the left side of your screen, and then you want to click on Settings right here at the bottom. In the Settings, you want to scroll down until you find General, and then you want to click on Language and Region. On the region, you can just scroll down a bit until you find Currency, and then you can just click on the US dollar or any currency that you currently choose. Just click on it. For example, I want to change my currency to Euro, so I can just click on the Euro. And then don't forget to check if the payment providers that you use are accepting payments in that currency. Just click on Got it, and there you go. My currency right now is changed to Euro. After you change the currency, don't forget to click on Save at the top right of your screen. Then, if I go back to my website editor and hit the refresh button on my browser, as you can see, right now the currency on my website is Euro. And that's how to change site currency on Wix. If you found this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing.